Affiliate Mentor Review. I want to start by showing you the leaderboard, and these results are from pre-launch. They could easily become 10 times as much as what you see there on the screen. Let me know in the comments what you think. It's Geoff Dodd here in New Zealand. Affiliate Mentor, an amazing program, has 3 powerful levels: Spark, VIP, and Core. Now you can go all in and you can get the most out of this and possibly become a millionaire. Or you can just start at the Spark level. That's what I'm doing actually, and build it up from there. Get your money pouring in, and then you can go to VIP and to Core. It is truly an incredible system. It uses AI automation follow-up, and there's never been anything like Affiliate Mentor ever before. Spark uses advanced AI automation with AI recruiting and AI email follow-up. The AI revolution has been valued at trillions of dollars. Can it help us make recurring residual income in multiple streams a lot easier? I believe yes, it can. And Spark automated recruiting is the way. With Affiliate Mentor Spark, you can also add in your own product and connect to your own autoresponder. There's a lot of flexibility in the system. Now you can relax, breathe deeply. I found something trusted because it works. This can be life-changing for you on our team at Affiliate Mentor. Now I want you to look closely at the incomes being made here, and it's just early days in launch time. Solid proof it's trusted because it works. These results are not typical because they are the top earners on our leaderboard. You'll have to put in effort and start with $25, which can turn into $500 daily. The latest Spark AI automation can help you turn $25 one time into $500 daily with AI automation. Now, I want you to benefit. I want you to get that increased income because you want money urgently for many, many purposes. So just find the link, first link below this video in the description area. Click on the link below and you'll be started. Just fill in your email and you're on your way to success. Affiliate Mentor is global, so it will work for you wherever you are in the world. Come and join me right now. I'm Geoff Dodd in New Zealand. Let the power of AI automation work for you 24/7, 365.